sure there's enough closet space.
You're kidding, right? I didn't think it was possible for anyone to need more closets than I do. I mean, you have a whole room for your shoes alone.
Yeah, but you know, the beach traffic can get really bad, and that might depress me even more than my crazy roommate. So maybe I should just stay where I am.
So you're gonna give this place up because of traffic? Where in LA is Carmageddon?
I don't know how long it's been, but I just finished kind of organizing my closet in a more concise way. It's been bothering me for a minute. I have all my sweaters and like jackets, light jackets, jean jackets, all that down there. Skirts and jeans. I have my like knee-high boots all back here, going back that way. And then I have a whole bunch of laundry I have to do. So this is why this is the only like cluster of shirts that I have, whatever. But I have so much laundry to do that I am done with my closet for right now. Okay, I just figured something out. I don't know if this shit gonna work. It's not gonna stay. It's gonna move around probably, but this is the best mount I've had. I figured it is like, what am I doing? I had planned to go to the mall to do like a little bit of shopping, but like I said, it's like 2 o'clock now, so going into the city right now would be a huge mistake. So I decided to stay around like the same area like where I live. I gotta go return something from Target, or return something to Target, or maybe exchange. Hopefully they have it in stock there, this hair product. And then I need to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. I need 2 braided filters. They're on sale online. If they're not the same price also, if they have them and they're not the same price, then I'm gonna order them online. But yeah, that's everything for right now. After I finish all this, I'm gonna go by my friend's house. That's the plan. And yeah, first stop we're gonna go to is Bed Bath & Beyond, because I want to get these Brita filters. So this is the only selection they have, I think, of Brita filters. And this is not what I wanted, so I'm gonna have to order online, unfortunately. Just kidding, I knew it couldn't be true. I found them. I think this is the one I want, but it's not on sale. Not on sale. Okay, so didn't find it in there. I found the filters. I found the pictures, but online they're on sale for a 5-cup. They're on sale for $15.99. So I can get 2 of them for $31, $32 really. Whereas inside I can get a 10-cup one, just one 10-cup filter for, I think they're on sale for $30. Whereas I can get 2 of them. I have one upstairs and one downstairs, because I have a mini fridge in my room. So I'm gonna get 2 of these and just buy it online. I have a gift card. I'm gonna do it now so I don't forget. Oh, did I not bring my, okay, so I didn't bring my wallet with me? I thought I did. Okay, so my wallet's at the house and I have my license. So let's go to Target really quick. Make this real quick, because I do need to return this stuff from, that's typical me. How did I walk out? And I thought, whatever, I thought my wallet was in my little purse. Obviously it's not, and I think I know exactly where it is, but that's besides the point. Target. All right, we at Target now. When I say, okay, look, I already forgot. I need to return the stuff from Target, and hopefully if they have what I need, I'll just exchange it. Hopefully they do. That's really what I'm coming here for. The product that I got was, let me look it up now because they might ask me and I don't remember exactly what the name is, but I got this Aunt Jackie's. It's Aunt Jackie's coconut cream, no, Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss coconut curling jelly. I wanted to get it was the flaxseed, Aunt Jackie's flaxseed don't shrink curling gel. That's the one I want. Let's just see if they have it. Hopefully they do. That way I can just return it or exchange it. Whatever. Hopefully this whole day is not a bust. They have it. I got 2 left. So I got my stuff from Target. So happy that they had it there. Now I'm gonna go across the way and go into Five Below. I think it's Five Below, not Five and Below. I'm gonna just walk in there just to see what they have, see if they have anything new. But I really need to get a new like phone mount. I have one, but I don't know where I put it. And that's not helpful because I don't like having to drive with my phone in my hand because I'm gonna get caught and get a ticket or whatever. So I'm gonna go in here real quick, like I said, walk around and see what they have and then get my little phone mount. So I just made it to my friend's house. And okay, I left my car. It feels so nice outside. I wish I could like go somewhere, but you can do it without looking at it? Yeah, you probably, yeah, you can.
After 200 episodes of Wildin' Out, the cast can finally do this. What is, tell Nick to take that turban off.
I've seen this before. They had us on Instagram. It's not tight on the top of your head. You told me to be quiet. These are all jokes. Good morning, guys. As you guys saw the other day, I was organizing my closet. So today I'm back at it. I'm gonna finish some more laundry that I needed to finish the other day. I need to hang up some clothes, and yeah, that's the goal for today. I have a friend's birthday game night thing that I'm going to later on, so I'll take you guys along for that. Today is just really a cleaning day for me, getting everything that I was supposed to clean 2-3 days ago done today. So yeah, anyways, I knew that I ordered something from the Gap, and I was like, I knew I ordered it and I almost ordered it a second time. I'm so happy I didn't because it did come in the mail, but they put it in my like mailbox, and I don't check my mailbox often, so it's been sitting in there for who knows how long. I got this parka that I really like. My friend has one, and when I saw him have it, I was like, oh, that's a nice coat. So I found it online and I got myself one. So it's like a dark wash denim, and then on the inside it has Sherpa lining. It's just on the insides though, like not on the sleeves unfortunately, but that's fine. And I think it's a men's, I think I got a men's one. They had a women's version, but I don't know, I just like men's stuff more for some reason. I like men's clothes more. Fits good, sleeves fit good. They're a little big, but I can wear like stuff under them, so that works. Okay, I literally was like, I know I'm not crazy, and I know I placed an order with Apple Pay on Gap like weeks ago, and it never came, but it was in my mailbox. I wish I knew how much I paid for it. I think it was like $30. It don't have no tags on it. Okay, I guess they don't want me to return it. What?
Oh, that goddamn. Man, that shit hard as fuck.
Huh? You gonna try it?
That shit hard as fuck. She like, y'all never played hopscotch? Hell no. God damn, she doing circulating in that bitch.
Take your shoes off! No!
Hell no. They're off. We got them people waiting in the middle.
Let go, turn up, niggas.
Put your feet on it.
What?
That nigga going to 288.
Hold on, finish it up. There we go. Run that shit. Run that shit. Let go.
You got it.
Run.
You got it.
Turn that shit up.
You got it.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey, you got 2 seconds. You already got there. Let's go. Let's go. Run that shit. Let's go. Run that shit.
1, 2, 1, 2. You got it.
Yeah, keep going.
Run that shit back. Lay your ass back. It's all that back. Yeah, nah, everybody can say can't, but do that shit. Alright,
run it back.
Run that shit back. Alright, let go. Ooh.
No.
Ooh, come here. One time. Oh, okay.